Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the Agbada part 2, how to draft that Agbada part 2. All right, the part 1 is below this description. Check the description below and you'll see a link to the part 1. The part 1 will show you, explain how I did this part 2. So please go back to the part 1 to understand this better. All right. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell by clicking it so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. All right, let's go to our class. What we're going to use, the shoulder is 17. The length of the Agbada that I'm using here, this fabric itself, the length is 79 3/4. 79 3/4. All right, and this is the width. This is the width of using a senator material. Some people call it bay. All right. This is the width of the fabric. It's also called depth. The depth of the fabric. Okay. While this side here, this side down is the yardage, where we measure our yardage and where we measure our trouser length. While this is the width. You can see I folded it into two. I folded it into two. I folded this particularly into two. Okay. All right. I folded it into two, which is making it 30. You know, I said it's 60, so it's making it 30. Please understand it. All right. Then this is the life part of the fabric. This is when you wear the fabric. This is the side that will show. Okay. So this is the life part of the fabric. Please do not forget, this is the life part of the fabric. And so what we'll do next is, like I said, our shoulder is 17. And so from here, because I folded this into two, what I'll do is to divide our shoulder. Our shoulder will divide it into two. We said in this Agbada, we are not cutting away the front and the back. The front and the back are in the length, inside both are 79 79 3/4. Okay, it is the front and back together that makes 39 3/4. All right, that further ado, let us go straight. All right, so our shoulder is 17. And if our shoulder is 17, we'll divide it by 2 because I folded this fabric into 2. It will be 17 divided by 2 will give us 8.5. Okay, 8.5. I'll mark this 8.5. You can see. Okay. Please be careful. You need to practice this. Often before, I said this is the life part. And so I'm putting my shock. I'm writing my shock on the life part. And so my writing is as stick. So you need to be sure, okay, of your measurement. All right. So this is 8.5. And so what I will measure is 3 inch. You know, in the part 1 of a video, I will use 3 inch. So we'll be using 3 inch. This is 1 inch. Okay. That's from the shoulder point. All right. This is 3 inch. That is 3 inch. Okay, you mark another 3 inch. All right, so we are through with the first part, with the first folding. We'll go to the second folding. Okay, the second folding, having looked at the design, I saw that the second folding is a little bit, the width is a little bit, it increased more than the first one, and so I will increase it by half, which is 3.5. But it's your design. You can choose to increase it to 4 to 5 depending on your choice. Okay, and so I'll mark also 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Okay, all together. Okay, all together. Okay, this is from here to here 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Then this other part will leave it for the arm circle. And so the next thing is this. Okay, I'll just illustrate it. The table is not that long, so it will be difficult for me to take a video of it while illustrating it, but I'll try my possible best. Now, this is the shoulder part where we started at 3 inch. This is the first 3 inch, second 3 inch. What we need to do, this first 3 inch, okay, what I'll do is I'll fold here. Please, it's with iron. You can see I'm holding this first shoulder. This is the shoulder one. Okay, what you need to do, please don't forget the down part of this material, the bottom part. Okay, the same marking, mark it. Okay, the same marking that you do here, mark it at the bottom part as well. Okay, so what you need to do is this part. This is the 3 from here to here is 3. Watch, this is the shoulder part. I'll meet it with the last 3. So what you need to do is this. Okay, what you need to do is this. You iron. Since you've measured it is 3 inch down. Okay, at the middle, make sure you mark at the middle part of your fabric too. Okay, I'll show you when I'm through. So mark the middle part and you fold. Make sure you fold this way. Okay, this way, the first one. Okay, after folding this first one, I'll display it for you to see. All right, you can see I've ironed it. From here to here is 3 inch. 3 inch. You can see. So what you need to do is, you see this part, the inside. Okay, you turn it, you turn your fabric, you turn it, and then you iron also. Okay, so you iron that place, turn it and iron so that it will be sharp as this. Okay, so that it will be sharp as this. And so what you need is, this hemming stay or hemming gun. Some persons call it hemming gun. All right, so you use this hemming gun. You will place this hemming gun. Okay, what you do, you place, look at it, this hemming gun, you put it inside. Okay, you see the way I ironed it down, okay, to the bottom part. So you place this hemming gun long, you follow this line. The length of your agbada is also the length of, you place it here inside, please, inside. Okay, inside, you place it here. All right, here inside. All right, you cut it, you put another one here, you put another one. Your hem stay will follow up this, and so you're going to use a lot of hem stay. All right, you're going to use a lot of hem stay. All right, when I turn it, you see it properly. All right, you can see. Okay, I just want to show you now. So what I did, this is still the life part. Okay, just want to show you how you place your hem stay. This is the life part, please don't forget. And so you see here, okay, you will be placing your hem stay here. Place your hem stay down. Okay, place your hem stay down. Okay, because the fabric is long, the other side of it I cannot actually show you the other side of it. And so what we need to do, so you place your hem stay here. All right, place our hem stay here. And so what we need to do is, place your hem stay, place your hem stay here. All right, and your hem stay here. Please don't forget, it continues. Okay, this is just because of the this tutorial, that's why I'm shortening it. If not, it continues. All right, so you use a lot of hem stay here. All right, so go go and buy full hemstay, okay, just for tutorial purpose. Just as it's arranged. Okay, so please make sure they are intact. Right. Okay. Please, you just have to be careful. Make sure they follow order. Make sure your hemstay does not exceed this part. Does not exceed this part. Arrange it properly and fold. Okay. All right. Okay. So once you're through, so you can make use of call it some persons call it pressing pieces. Make use of your pressing pieces, sprinkle water on it, and you iron. You can see. Okay, look at. Okay, it's come already. And so for this other part that is left, you make sure you see the way here is smooth. Okay, that's what you do to the rest of it. The length, you follow it down. Okay, when I'm through, I'll show you. All right, as you can see, look at it. Okay, I've done the first folding. You can see it's beautiful and neat. Please try as much as possible, okay, to be sure that now lest I forget, this is the, if you are looking at the picture, this is the right side. Okay, this is the right side of the picture. Then if you are wearing it, this is the left side. But when you're looking at it, this is the right side. Right? So we've done the first part, and so we need to produce the second part. We need to produce the second part. Okay, don't forget. And so what we need to do, like I said, is we're going to measure from here. From this part now, we'll measure 3.5. Okay. Three and a half. This 3.5. Okay. All right. Okay. See, I've ironed this. Okay. You can see I've done this. Look at it. All right. You can see. So what we need to do is this. Okay. What we need to do is you bring our hemstay. Okay. Bring our hemming gun. Bring our hemming gun and watch me. Bring our hemming gun and watch me. You see this part? This part, okay? This is the part that you place your hemming gun on. Place your hemming gun here, place another one here, and place another one. And then you cover and iron. Okay? You cover and iron. Alright? When I'm through, you cover this way. Cover and iron. You iron. Alright? So when I'm through, I'll show you my results. Alright, so you can see this here now. What I'll do now is I'll place this, I'll now cover it. You can see. Look at. Alright. right, this is our first one. I'll iron it. After ironing it, then I'll now position it this way. So what you need to do is iron. Use your steam iron. Okay. Put your steam iron there and spray water on it. You see? Can you see? All right. So I can now turn this like this. It's beautiful. All right. Then what you do to this side, you do it down to the side. Because the table is too long, I cannot actually. When I'm through, I'll show you, okay? All right, so you can see, this part. Look at this part, okay? This part. Right. Now, what you need, the next thing to do is you stitch here. This thin line that you see here, stitch here and stitch this line, okay? So that when you stitch it, even if it goes this way to come back, goes this way to come back, because you have stitched on top of it. So just take it to your machine and stitch here, okay? Stitch here. Whatever you have done here, do it to this other side of the agbada. Do it to the other side of this agbada. All right. As you can see, I've done the second part. You can see this is now, when you wear this is the right side, okay? But if you're seeing it on the dummy, this is the left hand side, okay? So as you can see, I've folded it. I've sewn everything. I've joined everything. As you can see, both the hand, the sleeveless part. All right, I've joined it. I'll show you when I put it on my dummy. All right. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I post videos every week. Okay, post videos, different styles every week. All right. And for my old subscribers, thank you for being there for me. All right, you see it on the dummy. Right, you can see I've not ironed it, but just for the tutorial sake and those asking for the tutorial of this video, that is why I'm here to iron it, right? So please, if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, okay? Share it on your social media, your platform, anywhere. All right. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in our next video. All right. Bye bye.